Hello guys and gals, One Rider here, and I'm going to make a little video today to show you a problem I had with my Goat Power Bikes Power Goat here, and in the hopes that I might be able to help someone else if they have the same problem. Because if you watch any of my videos with this bike, you probably noticed the squeaky brakes. And as I stated several times on there, it was the rear brake, and it was. Here, I'm going to put the camera down here. Hold this out so I can put it down here. Let you get a better look at the rear brakes here. And really wasn't expecting to find the problem that I did, or this would have been a better video. But I will post up a couple of pictures that will hopefully explain what the problem was, and I'll do my best here to point it out to you. But as you see now, it's nice and level, and this is the way it should look, because my intention to taking it apart, and I'll explain that a little bit too, was just to look at the pads and maybe clean them, because I thought that was the cause of the squeaky brakes, but I come find out that really wasn't the case at all. Yeah, the pads are squeaking, but there was a reason why they were. But anyway, this first of all, the Ronglin brakes here, since they're 4-piston, they don't work like the brakes on the other bikes that I have. Most of them have a cotter pin here, and you pull the cotter pin out because you have to bend the little things, pull the pin out, and you can pull the pads out. Well, this one works a little different, and I don't know how well this will come out with this camera, but there's a little lock pin back here. First you have to pull that off, and this is just a screw with a shaft, but it screws in there. So you have to use the Allen set that I just used, the one that came with the bike, the tools, and I want to say maybe it's a 3mm or something like that. It's a really small one, but you take this out after you pull the pin out, of course, and then those pads will come out. But that doesn't at all explain the problem that I had. But just so you know and you're aware, this is how you change the pads. But now, to explain the problem I had, were these two bolts here, and this is also how you would normally adjust the brakes. Now, I had done that before, but I really didn't pay attention under here, because they should fit nice and flush like this. But what had happened, like from the factory, on this back bolt, well, this one wasn't exactly right either, because they had the washer from this bolt and from this bolt, and they were both in here, in between where the caliper sits down, comes together there. And so what had happened was, and I'll post up pictures of it, it was only using the bottom half or so of the brakes, or maybe about 3/4 of the pad. So the top was above it, so it was rubbing against the top of the rotor here, and that's where the squeaking was coming up. As you see, it has these little notches in it. So that's why the squeaking kept getting worse and worse, because it was rubbing on this. So after I did that, and I did go ahead and take the pads out and clean them and everything, even though I wouldn't have had to do that. Once I unbolted these and I took those washers out, and I do have a picture of that, I put these back in place the way they should be, and I got them adjusted, and so far, no more squeaking. So anyway, I just want to share that with you, and I really hope this helps somebody out. And hopefully I'll be having some more good content for you here pretty soon. And I'm also working on another video for this bike, and just share a little info on that. I do have a test controller in this bike that I got from Goat Power Bikes. So here in this past week, I've been kind of working on doing a little testing with that. So, and I will try to this weekend finish that up and post a video about it and show you the results. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and use my affiliate links. And I'll see you in the next one.